Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So today we'll discuss one important news came yesterday only, and then we'll discuss some important global market update. Then we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart. We'll find out important key levels for the next week. So to know the important news and stock market update and Nifty 50 levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly levels update all in one video. Stock market pulse. So let me first of all share the big news came yesterday from US. Then we'll look it up some important US indices also. So news is that Trump Donald Trump signed a proclamation, एक डील साइन किए on Friday only, 19th September only. uh, 1 lakh dollar, $1 lakh annual fees uh, on H1B visa. So this the Trump is imposing this fees of $1 lakh on H1B visa, which is actually for IT professionals and all, uh, giving to send their employee to US for any project and all, anything. So this move, part of the administration, is actually set to make it costlier for firm like Indian IT company. Okay, like Infosys and Persistent, all the Indian IT company. Because of this, the Infosys fell by even more than 4.5% yesterday on 19th September. Because of this deadline of this, the deadline is September 21st. So because of this, the Microsoft MS has from US company has urged to its workers and employee with H1B visa and H4 visa also to return to their country US by tomorrow, means by 21st September. 21st September is the last date. This is the deadline according to the news. Why this happened only to demoralize the Indian IT company, because the lot of their Microsoft company and IT company are in calling the employee from the India on their project, they on cheaper cost. So because of that, क्योंकि अपने employees के लिए, अपने US software IT employees के लिए, the Trump has taken this big decision or to demoralize the Indian IT professional, जिसमें कि इन्फोसिस और परसिस्टेंस, ये सारी कंपनियां भेजती हैं अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को टू विद दिस वीज़ा. तो अब ये वीज़ा फीस $1 lakh, 100,000 हो गई है, $1 lakh, जो कि बहुत ही मुश्किल होने वाला है टू फॉर द IT's कंपनी टू सेंड देयर एम्प्लॉय टू US. तो ये प्रमोट करने के लिए, टू प्रमोट देयर सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोफेशनल इन यूएस, ये डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प हैज टेकन दिस डिसीजन. और व्हाट वी कैन से, एवरी सिंगल डे ही टेक्स सम डिसीजन टू demoralize India. We need to watch this big news, how it is going to affect the market, how the market is going, even especially IT sector, how the IT sector is going to react on this decision. This is the big decision from the Donald Trump. So let's check now what is going to happen. If I check the Friday US indices, you can see on your screen the DJI was 0.37% up. Or if we especially talk about the Nasdaq, the IT indices of the US, Nasdaq is the IT indices of the US, which is 0.72%. It was up because of this positive news for them. So S&P 500 is also around 5.5% up. तो ओवरऑल, और अगर ये यूके मार्केट देखो तो DAX was 0.15% अप था. सो ओवरऑल अगर देखें तो US indices was happy, was positive, and global indices was also positive. This was short picture of the global market. We can see. So this was important news which is definitely going to affect Monday market, Nifty. Even it is going to affect Nifty also, especially Nifty IT you need to watch. And I will discuss the Nifty, I will analyze the Nifty 50 chart. But again, this bad news I will say for the Indian market, it is really going to affect the market. Need to check. Now if you see the market, this news came after the market hours. So still even before that the market was not that good. If you see, I will show you the chart, I will analyze the chart for the last week, then we'll find out, we'll search for the predict for the levels. You can see the double bottom I discussed in my last week video. That time it was here. This was here, means 5 days back here. It was not breakout. I discussed this double bottom pattern and everything in detail earlier in my last video, you can check. And I was very sure for this breakout. And see, this week this breakout is already confirmed, this with the confirmation candle you can see. तो ऐसे नहीं कि बस इतना ब्रेकआउट दे दिया तो हो गया ब्रेकआउट, नो, वी हैव टू चेक विद द कंफर्मेशन कैंडल आल्सो. डबल बॉटम का पैटर्न आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, वो उसका ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है. यू कैन सी हियर, आई विल गिव दैट लिंक इन आई बटन, लास्ट वीडियो लिंक. You can check how beautifully it has broken, as I was discussing earlier here. सो ब्रेकआउट तो हो चुका है, कंफर्मेशन कैंडल भी हो गया, बट आफ्टर दैट इट वेंट हेयर, could not sustain at this level, which was 25,400 350 अराउंड. ये लेवल यहाँ पे है 25,350. तो ये है, दिस वाज हाई, हाई था इसका 25,500 अराउंड यहाँ पे. So this level it has touched, Nifty 50 has touched, and then give small pullback till here, which was, I can say, the low of Friday candle was 25,300 around. Again 25,300 को इसने टच किया. सो दिस लेवल भी यहाँ पे, तो जो कि अच्छा सपोर्ट है. तो 25,300 एक सपोर्ट है विच हैज नॉट बीन ब्रोकन टिल नाउ, बट आई डोंट नो. I am very sure that it is going to break on Monday 25,300 level, and then going to retest till this level of 25,200 to 150 around to 25,150 exact level. Otherwise psychological level I can say 25,200. So need to check, you need to be mindful with the 25,150 to 200 for the next week for the retesting level. This is a retest level where the Nifty 50 may retest and again pull back, again return to this resistance level of 25,650, which it has not touched till now. This 25,150 to 200 is very crucial to see, to watch, because agar if the Nifty 50 breaking this 25,150 या 100, उसके बाद then again it may come to this level of 24,850 around. So 25,000, 24,850 will be the next level after breaking 25,150 to 100, I can say. So 150 मान लो, exact level 150 है, 25,150. तो 25,150 need to check. और ये H1B वीजा का जो पूरा स्टोरी हो गया है, that is really very negative for the Infosys, some IT companies, even for the IT sector also. So ओवरऑल दिस डबल बॉटम ब्रेकआउट तो पैटर्न ब्रेकआउट तो हो चुका है, बट ये कितना सस्टेन करेगा, दिस इज अ वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आई सेड दिस लेवल विल बी अगेन अ वेरी बिग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस फॉर द निफ्टी 25,650. Even last week in my video I have given this resistance level, which Nifty 50 has even not tried to touch that in last week. So ओवरऑल दिस वाज एनालिसिस फॉर द लास्ट वीक विच आई सेट। ये लास्ट वीक था। लास्ट वीक में इसने ब्रेकआउट दे के रीटेस्ट की ओर इट इज गोइंग टू रीटेस्ट। और अभी मैं रीटेस्ट पे ही लेवल पे ही मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इट शुड टेक रीटेस्ट एंड देन गो बैक अगेन, बट नहीं होता है तो जस्ट फॉर द सेफर साइड आई एम गिविंग दिस लेवल आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग। अगर ये इसने ब्रेक कर दिया तो immediately very soon it will reach to 24,850, which I will update in my next week video definitely. Before that, we need to watch for the week. This level is very important. Overall, I have discussed very important and big news of H1B visa news, which is like 1 lakh. The US has imposed the $1 lakh fees on the visa of H1B, which is very negative news for the IT companies. I will repeat the Nifty 50 level for next week. Important support 25,150, then 24,850. Important resistance is 25,650 only. You need to watch and be mindful with these three levels for the next week. Very important. I have already posted the video for the Nifty Bank level for next week. You please check out that video on Saturday. I am planning to make some important sector indices video which is giving breakout. I am just finding out and watching that breakout. I will definitely share those indices, sector indices also. So put your notification on and keep watching the videos, and like and share the video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, indices weekly level update, stock in news update, all in one video. Stock market pulse. Signing off.